Hi, this is Doug from Doug and Aaron Go Outside. I'm not outside today just yet. It's raining in here in Georgia today. Thank goodness we needed the rain. But I did want to make a quick video talking about mounting solutions for your cell phone. You know, if you're like me and you're in your truck, where do you put your cell phone? Those stupid suction cup things, don't even get me started on those. Those are terrible. They fall down. The phone falls out of them. They fall on the dash. They're just horrible. The ones that hook in your vent, my experience is the vents go down, the cell phone's down, and then it falls out and it gets loose and it blocks the wind, it blocks the air coming out. They're terrible. So what are you left with? You're left with leaving your phone on the seat, which it slides all over the place, on the dash, it slides all over the place, or in your pocket, and that's even worse. So what do? I found a solution that I use. I'm not endorsed by them. I'm not sponsored in any way, and it's called Bulletpoint Mounting Systems. I've got a video here. I'm going to show a video here in a second of how they work. I highly recommend them. They are awesome. It keeps your phone solid. They have tons of connections, or alternate attachments, so you can attach many different kinds of accessories, like your camera. You can put your action camera. They have one for action camera. They have one for my backup camera for my camper. They have extra ones for phones. There's hundreds of different selections. I highly recommend you check out Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions.
How do you carry your phone in your car? This is the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions system, and then see here it's got arms right here. It's got a ball here. It attaches to pre-existing holes that were in the dash under a cover. There's the screws. It's got a cool American flag all over because it's American made, and it's adjustable. You just loosen this wing nut, and you can turn it wherever you need it. Up, down, sideways, however you want to do it. And then once you get it wherever you want it, you lock it back in, and it's not going anywhere. Down dirt roads, down bumpy interstates, wherever you go, that phone will stay right there. If you ask me, this is the solution for your phone holder. If you're looking for a solid phone holder to hold in your car or your truck while you're going down the road, I highly recommend you go to Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. I'm not sponsored by them. I paid for it with my own money, but I tell you what, I would be lost without it.